Gabby Michelle and welcome to my video. If you're new here, don't forget to like and subscribe to my video. You know the subscribe button, the one with the red and the white letters on it that say subscribe. Click that and you'll be subscribed to my channel. So today we're going to be doing a bath bomb kit. And I'm going to be using everything in this bath bomb kit, you guys. I like to be a little extra, so I don't know which bath bombs we're going to be making today, but we're going to be going extra, super extra with this bath bomb today. So let's just open this bad boy up and get right into it. Alright guys, so we're going to start with the baking soda. I'm going to put about, black girl magic. I'm going to put about however much I feel like is necessary, So we just gonna hit it. We're gonna do one of these. I'm gonna do 1 tablespoon of this. And I'm gonna do, that don't look like a lot, so I'm gonna do a lot of these. So that look decent to fit in this little thing right here. Alright, now in a separate bowl, I'm gonna pour all of this in. Oh my freaking gosh. Alright, so you guys can use your hands to mix this because it is kind of grainy. Oh, I got like Epsom salt in here. Okay. They don't want to tell you what's in the mixture, you guys. So you got to do it yourself. And I bought this whisk for this test. And we're just gonna whisk it. Mix it, mix it, mix it, mix it, mix it. Mix it, mix it, mix it, mix it, mix it. Dang! Woo. Woo. Alright, you guys. I think I'm done mixing. Now, I'm going to add this mixture into my other mixture. So, let's just add that in there. Let's try not to breathe in the powder, because the powder is something serious. So I'm going to mix the mixture together. Now that I'm done mixing this mixture, I'm going to separate the bowls. Well, separate it into a separate bowl. I feel like that's enough for this bowl. So I am now about to add this blue pigment into one of these bad boys. Just a little bit, not too much. Just a squeeze. Now I'm gonna mix it. Maybe you got to mix the whole thing in there, because I don't see nothing but dust. So we're done with this one. Now we're gonna do our freaking pink. We're going to add all of that in there. And then we're just going to mix, 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 mix. Alright, we got that little pigment. Okay, pink. I see you, boo. It's not like prominent, but it's there. It is really there. So, next step. I am going to add some lavender. I'm going to do like 2 drops of this. 2 drops of lavender. Oh my god, I hate lavender. We're gonna mix that lavender with vanilla, because I like vanilla. 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, you guys. Just 1 tablespoon of this stuff. Now, we're going to mix this up. Hopefully this mixes up well. And now we're going to add a a few sprinkles of this rose dried flowers. So I'm gonna take one head of this. I don't know if y'all can see. I'm taking one head of this. And I'm just gonna separate it. Just sprinkle it in there. Sprinkle it in the bowl. I am gonna mix it one more time. So now we have a vanilla rose bath bomb, I guess you could say. All right. So now we need to add some water. All right, you guys, I am back. I got this little spray bottle here that I got from Target. You get a spray bottle from like anywhere. You can just go to the travel section. They're like $1 or less. So I put warm water in here, but room temperature water. It's totally fine. Water is water. So we're gonna sprinkle this in just a little bit. All right, so I'm gonna sprinkle about 5 drops. I'm just gonna go 1 and mix, 1 and mix, 1 and mix. So just a little bit so it won't start foaming. I'm gonna mix it. Right now it's like a soft consistency, like a soft puffy consistency. But it's not bad. It feels very good to the touch. Spray another one. Right now it's supposed to get like a sand type consistency. So a sandy clumpy consistency. So that's what we're going for. Look at this, you guys. Look at this. Let's see. It's pretty good to me. Alright, guys. So it is now mold time. So I'm going to take my number 2 mold and I'm just going to put it in there like it was nothing. So I'll move this to the side and I'm gonna have my mold here. And we're just gonna pack it in. I don't know what kind of design I'm going for, but I'm not really going for a design at all, so never mind. We're just gonna start with the blue first. And we're just gonna pack that in there. And I'm just gonna keep going. Now I'm gonna add the pink. I think I want this one on the one side. Alright, you guys, so I have both my bath bombs here. One has more than the other only because for them to collide together, one needs to be overfilled. So, yeah, so now we're going to smush these together. I don't know how I'm going to do this. It's going to be so hard. We are going to let this sit for about a minute.
A few minutes later.
Let's look at this one. I like to tap it to loosen it up a bit so it comes out mold better. Alright. Do you not see this freaking bath bomb right here? Do you not see that? Probably not because it's not in focus. Moment of truth. Oh my gosh, you guys, we have our bath bomb. Looks weird on the edges, but hey, it is there. So, this is how you make a bath bomb with the with the kit from Target. I got it from Target. And yeah, now let's test it. Alright, you guys, so I have this bowl, well, this cup of water, and I want to put the bath bomb inside. Here's our perfectly good bath bomb, and look. Oh my gosh, it's so nice. Look, you guys. Look at our masterpiece. Oh my gosh, it's so freaking nice. Thank y'all for watching this video, and I will see you guys next time.